we would have a bigger cake na better. Then just do something here. B, mag-stencil ka nga dito.
I want brush.
You want
Yeah.
Just
Oo nga.
that's what I need.
Hindi, pencil lang, B. Pencil na stencil
Drawing
ako
lang.
magpipaint. Drawing lang. We'll make it smooth, okay?
But not everybody know how to draw.
Come again?
Not everybody know how to draw. What I want, maybe something like this. You press
Okay.
it,
Okay,
and paint
sure,
it,
sure.
and paint it for me.
Okay. Okay, no problem. Okay, like
And
that.
paint it.
Okay, no problem.
Yun ang pandikit. T5. Tanduay, 5 years.
Kasi ano nga, baka matapos. You really get me to paint that, to do your wedding cake. I will be painting your cake. We'll be doing it maybe 1 year.
Pwede
For
ba yun?
example, okay?
Pwede ba yun? Chef, tatagal ng 1 linggo yung ano?
Yung face.
Itong ano? Itong...
Unahin mo na.
Ano ba tawag dyan? Ito yung white na ginawa natin? Tatagal yan ng 1 linggo? Or 1 buwan?
Oo. Meron nga akong mga display dyan, ano eh. 4 na buwan na. So, hindi ko siya nag-contact na.
Flower for you, dear.
Okay. First of all, do round. You do the end before you do the inside.
Yeah. Or maybe, you know, sometimes it's like that. The one in the picture, it's just an outline.
Okay.
But if you want it solid, yeah, you do first the outside and then you do the inside after a while, if you like it. Like that, see? Something like that.
Tatawag siguro sa kanila. Tatanungin kung mayroong marunong magpintura. Buti na lang hindi ako marunong magpintura.
Okay? Something like that.
Very beautiful.
But the banana thing, spirit,
Yeah.
you can use it to make the salt cakes, right?
Only spirit.
Only spirit.
And almond extract.
Sorry?
Almond extract. Like vanilla.
Okay, but like when you
But-
can use it to mix it.
Yeah, but almond extract, because almond extract has the has spirit also.
Okay.
Okay, you can do that. You can use that to mix it, because otherwise, if it's water, it will break.
Okay.
It won't mix together. See, if it's alcohol, see, so nice. It's like oil painting, right? Linseed oil. See,
Yeah.
like that. You can even paint the cake if you like. See?
Thank you.
Okay.